Apple and welcome back to my channel. So for today guys, naisipan kong mag-vlog or I just realized na gusto kong mag-vlog kasi gagawa ako ng Ovaltine Dalgona guys. Kasi nung last time na gumawa ako ng coffee Dalgona, may mga friends akong nagsabi na they are not into coffee or ayaw nila ng coffee, may iba na nagbe-breastfeed. So, naisipan kong bumili ng Ovaltine kasi gusto kong i-try yung chocolate Dalgona or Ovaltine Dalgona para sa mga viewers ko dyan na hindi nagkakape. So, if you like this kind of video guys, just keep on watching.
So, here are the ingredients guys. Ovaltine, whipping cream. You need a bowl.
Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye! See you in my next vlog.